guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Reliquid Food. If you're a returning subscriber, feel welcome and thank you for coming back. And if you're new in this channel, please view these videos, like the videos, comment and share. And please remember to press onto that notification bell as well. So guys, today I have a recipe for you, and I'm still in West Africa, that is Nigeria's recipe. And today's recipe is on okra soup. I hope you guys have heard of Nigerian okra soup. So guys, watch this video till the end and let's cook together. So keep tuned. So what I'm going to use, guys, I have my okras here. So this is called okra. Some people call it lady's finger, some people call it mother's finger, and it's in West Africa they call it okra, some call it okro. So it is a nice recipe. For me, what I know, how I know the name is called is lady's finger. It's really nice. So I hope you are going to cook with me today, and if you like it, please try it. So apart from that, I have the red bell pepper, I have 3 tomatoes, I have grated red onions, I have ginger and garlic, I have the white onions, I have the beef, and also have salt to taste. This is cow beef. They use variety of proteins, so you'll find there's beef, you'll find there's tripe, that is matumbo or instance, then you'll find there's cow skin and all that. So guys, for me, I'm just going to use one protein, that is beef, and then I also have salt to taste. So the oil that I'm going to use, guys, since we are in West Africa, you know West African guys like their palm oil. So this is the palm oil, guys. So I'm going to use this, cook this okra soup using their palm oil. So this palm oil, if you want it, they are very easily available in Kenya. Just as I told you that if you want African ingredients, they're easily found in Kenya. If you're in Nairobi CBD, you go to Kenya Cinema, can go to City Market. If you're in Eastlands, you can go to Kamarok, you can go to Umoja. You can go to City Park. They are easily available. So guys, this one I bought it goes for 250 Kenya shillings. So guys, keep tuned. Now for the spices that I'm going to use, guys, now I have tomato paste here with me, I have paprika, I have curry powder, I have black pepper, and I have beef masala. So you know, for the spices, I'm using Kenyan spices. Because most of for curry powder, I'm using Kenyan curry powder. They have their curry powder leaves, but I could not find them, so I'm still going to use. Anyway, for spices, you can use spices of your own choice. On fire, so I'm just going to add in my beef. So I'll add in that beef. I'll cook the beef first for about 20 minutes. Add in some salt to taste. I'll add in the red onions, grated red onions, and some little garlic and ginger. I'll mix everything well together. I'll mix everything well together so that they can boil together for me to get the right gravy for the beef. So I'm going to add in spices as well for me to get the right broth for the gravy. So this is curry powder, this is black pepper, this is beef masala, this is paprika. So I'll mix everything together once again. And then I'll just cover it to cook. So guys, I'm going to let it cook for about 20 minutes. So guys, I'll just add some little water so that I can get the broth that I want. So I will cover it to cook just as I've said. I'm going to cut my okra. I'll cut them into small pieces. So I'm going to blend some, and some I'm going to cook them just the way they are. So back to the beef, guys. The beef is just ready. Is ready, and now what I'm going to do is just to remove the meat and separate it with the broth. The beef is ready now, and I'm now going to remove them. Now guys, I'm just going to keep this broth for the stew, but I'm going to strain it. So guys, I have the 2 okras. I've separated. So guys, meanwhile I'm cutting down also these bell peppers and the onions so that I can also blend them to get at least some purees. Tomato puree. To heat as I blend my tomato puree. Palm oil. So guys, this is West African cooking oil called palm oil. Very nice oil, tasty. So if you want it, I just directed to you where you can get this oil. So let it boil fast, well, before you put in. So guys, as I showed you before, I'm going to use white onions. So I let my onions cook. Garlic and ginger, and mix well. Guys, see how my onions are looking. Add in the tomato paste. Stir well, mix everything together. Okay. I love the smell of the palm oil. So appetizing. Guys, look at the mixture. So keep stirring. I will let it cook for about 3 minutes. my tomato paste is not that red one. I can see it's somehow brown. It's not giving me the color I wanted, but it's okay. So guys, you let it cook well. Then this is the time now to add the spices. Now the Kenyan curry powder. I've used Kenyan curry powder, the black pepper, and the turmeric. So I'll still let it cook well. So people, there's one thing that I forgot. Guess what this is? This is called crayfish powder. I just forgot to introduce it. It's one of the spices that I also got from the other African ingredients. It's used for in most cases they use it for their sauces, crayfish powder. So this one at least is sold at 300 Kenya shilling. So you have to put it just a little bit of it at the beginning. It brings a good taste to the gravy, just a little, depending on the size of your meal. So make sure you mix it well. Let the oil cook well. Now look at the mixer, guys. I'm going to add in now my tomato puree. Let me just stir it well first. So this is the time to add my tomato puree. So you add it also as you stir it. Guys, look, it's my okra soup. Guys, so tasty. Let's look at how it is. So I'm just going to add in some salt to taste. So guys, I'll just cover it to let it cook for some time. Guys, so now I can add in my beef. So this is now the time to add in my beef. And remember the broth that I got from the beef that I just strained, just add in there. And now what I'll put first is the okra that I did not blend, so I have to put it first so that it can cook also for some time. Guys, look at my stew. So I'll cover it to cook for a while before I add in the okra's puree. So guys, back to my okra soup, guys. It has cooked well. So now I'm going to add in the blended okra. And I have to stir well. Mix it well, make sure it is well mixed so that everything gets in compacted together. Well, so I'll let it cook for another 5 minutes, guys. So guys, this is the okra soup, the Nigerian okra soup. Please guys, view this video, subscribe, share,